Hi friends, welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today's going to be extra sweet because we're drawing a cute ice cream cone with a big smile and colorful scoops. And while we create our chili masterpiece, we'll learn delicious facts about one of the world's favorite treats, ice cream. And hey, if you love drawing and learning with us, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the fun. Let's imagine our ice cream cone has 3 scoops, maybe strawberry, vanilla, and mint. What flavors would you choose? Would you make rainbow scoops or sprinkle-covered ones? Did you know ice cream has been around for thousands of years? People in ancient China made a frozen treat using milk, rice, and snow. And guess what? The very first ice cream cones were made by accident at a fair. Someone ran out of cups and used a waffle instead. Let's pretend our ice cream cone lives in an ice cream world. Every morning it wakes up in a Waffle House, slides down a syrup slide, and bounces on a sprinkle trampoline. One day, a cherry falls off the cherry tree and lands, plop, on top of its head. Perfect topping. Can you think of a silly ice cream world? What would your cone wear? Whipped cream hats or chocolate chip shoes? Here's something fun. The average American eats about 20 pounds of ice cream every year. That's like eating your backpack full of ice cream. And vanilla is still the most popular flavor in the whole world, but bubblegum, cotton candy, and even pickle-flavored ice creams exist. Would you try pickle ice cream? Or how about spaghetti flavor? Also, July is National Ice Cream Month, the perfect time for extra scoops and smiles. Let's take a look at our ice cream cone. So sweet, so colorful, and full of fun. Here's what we learned. Ice cream has been around for thousands of years. The cone was invented by surprise. People eat lots of ice cream and even celebrate it with a whole month. What was your favorite fact today? And if you could make a brand new ice cream flavor, what would it be? our cute, smiling ice cream cone and scooped up so many cool facts along the way. Thanks for drawing and coloring with us. You did a sweet job. If you had fun, give us a cherry on top thumbs up and hit subscribe so we can draw and learn again together soon. See you next time, friends. Stay cool and creative.